CLU2 includes sACN and ArtNet monitoring directly within the app. So let's take a look. I'm going to go to the DMX tab at the top. And what we're going to see in here are a list of all of the ArtNet and sACN universes that are currently being utilized by the discovered devices. So I can see, for example, that there are 3 gateways with ports currently configured to receive ArtNet 5. Or I can indeed see that I've got 2 gateways configured to receive sACN Universe 12, and one of those gateways actually has an RDM device connected to that universe as well. So what we can do is, these are essentially shortcuts to open a viewer for that particular universe. So I'm going to go and quickly open a viewer for ArtNet Universe 1. That will then appear as a viewer on the left, and then it will look for any controllers that are sending that particular universe and then display the levels here. So I can see my universe here, ArtNet Universe 1, and I can see the frame rate as well. Word of note, ArtNet 1 means ArtNet 1. So we're not dealing with any sort of offsets in this case here. If I wanted to view ArtNet 0, I would indeed need to open ArtNet 0, a dedicated viewer for ArtNet 0. So there's no offset within the CLU viewers, if that makes sense. I can go and close a viewer if I want to, using the X in the down the side here. I can also add a viewer manually. So this is where I can add a viewer, choose the protocol I wish to view, and type in the universe. So I'm going to go and look at sACN 1001. And I've not got any controller on that universe. But that's where you can go in, choose a universe, and view the levels on that particular universe. So really useful for troubleshooting purposes, that you can see what's going on in here. I'm going to go and close those viewers there. And then we go back here, and I can see my statistics here of saying unmonitored universes. So these are all the unmonitored universes that have been detected, and then we've got 14 of those are ArtNet ports and 12 of those are sACN ports.